Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Can I speak English and understand English?
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure you don't have?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Definitely healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because Malaysia is safe country for OFW.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Shena Hyun. I am 29 years old. I was born on September 3, 1995. I am single with a living partner. With I have two kids, one boy 9 years old, one girl 7 years old. I am my religion is Roman Catholic. My weight is 53 cm, a kilogram. My height is 54 cm.
5'4" in feet. Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? So who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My sister,
What about your live-in partner? How old is he and what is his occupation?
my age of my living partner 29 years old. His occupation is helper on construction.
Okay, what about your sister? How old is your sister and how old is your sister and what is her occupation?
My my sister 35 years old, housewife.
Okay, so is your live-in partner is the father of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia.
Yes, ma'am.
You know what are you up to, right? You will going to work as a domestic helper and it is not a very easy job. It is a very tough job. So you must think thousand times before you come and work abroad. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because you will going to sign a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job or you miss your family. No such a thing. Otherwise, you will going to compensate once you terminate your contract because no one force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
According to your profile, it was stated that you have been working experience in Philippines way back January 2013 to June 2013 as what?
I, I, I have experience a bedridden elder, elder
How old is the
when
bedridden patient?
50, 53,
Female or male?
female.
Okay,
Relax lang
what
kasi.
While taking care of this bedridden, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes.
Ate, do you know how to speak English?
Yes, ma'am.
Because if not, I will reject you. No point that you come here to work and you don't understand.
Just
You cannot
relax. You don't...
communicate with your employer at the same time.
Ma'am, sorry ma'am. Kinakabahan lang po, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, so ate, while taking care of this elderly, while taking care of this bedridden female, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a stay-in maid there before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after 2014 to 2015, you also work as a housemaid inside the house and you work for 1 year, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your duties there? What is your job responsibilities? What did you do there?
Cleaning,
Okay, and then?
clothes, ironing.
Did you take your children? Did you take care children?
No, yes, no, ma'am.
No. Did you cook there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, after 2016 to 2024, you are a full-time mother, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
After full-time mother, to November 2024 to April 2025, you work as a nanny and you take care a newborn baby, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a stay-in maid there?
Yes, ma'am.
So you work there for 5 months only, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are all around. What is your job responsibilities there?
I shower. I shower, baby. I prepare this hair milk.
Okay. So did you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing? Or you just
Yes,
did
ma'am.
focus on taking care of a newborn only?
All around.
All around. Okay. So can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
No, ma'am.
You cannot take your children or baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Filipino food.
But are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead, you can use it during nighttime only, okay? After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. Are you
Yes,
okay
ma'am.
with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then fine, work properly. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, frequently, homesickness will attack you knowing that this is your first time working abroad. How will you gonna fight your homesickness later?
I'm distracting myself doing my work and communicate my family in the Philippines.
Okay, always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, okay? Because you come here to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give them a better future. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all. Thank you for now. It was my pleasure meeting you. Have a good day. Bye.